There are certain kinds of allegations and legal disputes that draw the attention of three particular groups of people. Sometimes plaintiffs' attorneys and their would-be clients are on the lookout for legal disputes or allegations of wrongdoing that they can blow up into large-scale, very costly, or very profitable legal disputes. On the other hand, there are politicians and prosecutors who are looking for ways that they can get themselves in the press and make a name for themselves by investigating certain allegations of wrongdoing. In this episode, I'll tell you how engaging the court of public opinion can keep these people at bay or draw them in. I'm Wayne Pollock, and you're watching Copo Talk. In this episode, how engaging the court of public opinion can help convince third parties to file or not to file claims or charges against a particular entity. When there are allegations of wrongdoing, there are groups of people that tend to swoop in and see if they can blow up the wrongdoing into full-fledged disputes. Plaintiffs' attorneys, politicians, and prosecutors all have a very keen sense of smell, particularly when they smell blood in the water. These individuals know that they can affect and alter the landscape of a particular legal dispute or even allegations of wrongdoing by their mere involvement. If you're a plaintiff and you already have a case, you want to draw as much interest as possible from other third parties. You want other plaintiffs to come out of the woodwork, other potential class members to find out about this case and join you. You might want prosecutors and politicians to find out about this wrongdoing as well and convene their own investigations. Why? Because the defendants in those cases do not want to fight a legal battle on both a civil front and a criminal front. They know any information that's obtained through the criminal proceeding or investigation could be used against them in the civil case. So many defendants are going to want to settle those cases sooner rather than later to avoid that information from the criminal case affecting the civil case. On the flip side, should they not settle soon, they could be exposing themselves to a much larger settlement or jury verdict based on the bad information. If you're a defendant and you know this, you know that the involvement of plaintiffs' attorneys and politicians and prosecutors could radically alter your case. So what do you want to do? You want to keep them at bay. You want to give them a reason to not file these claims, not file a lawsuit, and not convene any investigations. How do you do that? You tell your client's story through the court of public opinion, through earned media, such as newspapers and other media outlets, through owned media, such as websites and social media and blogs and YouTube. You want to give reasons why there's nothing to see here, and you want to give evidence or at least information that helps back up your position. No matter what side of the case you're on, there are instances where outside parties could come in and radically change the nature of a case. Again, plaintiffs' attorneys, prosecutors, and politicians, using the court of public opinion to engage these people and either draw them in or push them out. Could be the difference between a case being settled quietly and disappearing, or a billion-dollar lawsuit that's plastered across newspapers across the country and that could have radical impact on the future of a company. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please check out copostrategies.com for links to our social media feed and to our blog. Until next time, thanks for watching.